Students, this is NCERT problem 6.9 from page number 176. Okay, and in this question, they are saying the combustion of 1 mole of benzene takes place at 298 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere pressure. After combustion, CO2 and H2O are produced and 3267 kilojoule of heat is liberated. Okay, when benzene is combusting, carbon dioxide and hydrogen and water are produced with the liberation of this much energy. That means this much enthalpy is liberated, this much heat is liberated, right? Calculate the standard enthalpy of formation delta HF naught of benzene. You have to calculate the standard enthalpy of formation for benzene, right? Standard enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide and water are minus 393.5 kilojoule per mole and minus 285.83 kilojoule per mole respectively, right? So in this condition, first we'll see how we can prepare benzene. So you just write formation reaction of benzene is when I'll react graphite, that means carbon, with hydrogen, it will give rise to benzene, right? Now I have balanced the equation, you just check by yourself, right? So in this case, we have to find the enthalpy of formation. That means I have to find this value. What they have given to me, after combustion carbon dioxide and water are produced. Okay, now they are saying if I'll combust 1 mole of benzene, carbon dioxide and water will be produced, right? So you just write enthalpy of combustion of benzene is, now just focus on the reaction, what they are saying. If I'll burn benzene, right, in the presence of oxygen, what I'll get? I'll simply get carbon dioxide, right, plus water, right? Here I'm having oxygen in gaseous form, right? And in this case, they are saying enthalpy of combustion equal to minus 3267.0 kilojoule. Now they have given positive value. Why I have taken this negative value? Because in this condition they are saying heat is liberated. That means the reaction is exothermic reaction, and in exothermic reactions we always have enthalpy's value as negative, right? So I'll consider this equation as equation 2. Okay, now they have given me third value, that is enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide. So you just write enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide, CO2, is, again, how can I prepare carbon dioxide? If I'll combine carbon with oxygen, it will give rise to carbon dioxide gas. And in this condition, I have enthalpy of formation equal to minus 393.5 kilojoule, right? So you just take this equation as equation 3. Okay, and enthalpy of formation of water of water is, how can I prepare water? Simply, if I'll react hydrogen with oxygen, I'll get water. right? In this case, I'll have enthalpy of formation equal to minus 285.83 kilojoule. Okay, and this equation I'll consider it as fourth equation. Now what I have to do, I have to compare this equation, that means equation 3 and equation 4 with 2. Here in equation 2 I am having 6 moles of carbon dioxide and 3 moles of water. I have to make these 3 and 4 equation according to the equation number 2, right? So what I'll do, I'll simply multiply equation 3 by 6 and equation 4 by 3. So you just write multiply equation 3 by 6 and equation 4 by 3. We get, so write the equation. Equation third must be 6C plus 6O2 gas give rise to 6CO2. Now, if I am multiplying the equation, definitely I have to multiply the enthalpy of formation also. So, it will be delta HF naught equal to minus 393.5 into 6 kilojoule. Right. So, this value will be minus 2361 kilojoule. Okay, you'll take this equation as equation 5. Now multiply equation 4 by 3. So it will be 3H2 gas plus 3 by 2 O2 gas give rise to 3H2O liquid. Again, multiply the enthalpy of formation also. So minus 285.83 into 3 kilojoule, right? So the final answer will be minus 857.49 kilojoule, right? So this equation must be equation 6. Add equation 5 and 6. So you just write add equation 5 and 6. We get 6C graphite plus 3H2 gas plus, now 6 plus 3 by 2, that means you just take in the rough 6 plus 3 by 2 equal to, you just take the LCM, 2 into 6, 12 plus 3, that means 15 by 2. So just write 15 by 2 O2. Okay, now 6 CO2 gas plus 3H2O liquid. Now in this condition you'll have enthalpy of formation delta HF naught equal to minus 2361 plus minus, you just write minus 2361 kilojoule, add plus sign in between them, minus 857.49 kilojoule. Now minus into plus, that means minus, so minus 2361 minus 857 equal to minus 3218.49 kilojoule. That means 3218.49 kilojoule energy is liberated in this reaction. I'll consider this equation as equation 7, right? So you just write subtract equation 2 from equation 7 we get. So first write equation 7, that means 6C graphite plus 3H2 gas plus 15 by 2 O2 gas give rise to 6 CO2 gas plus 3 H2O liquid. In this case, I'm having enthalpy of formation equal to minus 3218.49 kilojoule. Now take equation 2. So let's see the equation 2 first. This is my equation 2, right? So in this case, they are saying benzene is burning in the presence of oxygen and producing carbon dioxide plus water. And in this case, enthalpy of combustion is minus 3267. So you just write this equation. So it will be C6H6 plus 15 by 2 O2. This is gas and this is liquid. Give rise to 6 CO2 gas plus 3 H2O liquid. In this case, I'm having enthalpy equal to minus 3267 kilojoule, right? I have to prepare benzene, so I'll simply subtract these values. So here I'll change the sign, minus, minus, again minus, minus, and here I'm having minus sign. So minus into minus, that means positive, right? So now 15 by 2, 15 by 2 cancel, 6 CO2, 6 CO2, 3 H2O, 3 H2O. Now what I have, 6C graphite plus 3H2 gas minus C6H6 liquid. Now here I'm having nothing, right? Now here reaction will be just like HF naught equal to minus 3218.49 kilojoule plus 3267 kilojoule, right? If I'll consider this arrow as equal to, so here I'm having negative sign on the left side of arrow. So when I'll take this value on the other side, it will be positive. So it will be 6C graphite plus 3H2 gas give rise to C6H6 liquid. Here you just see the reaction that in equation 1 I have prepared the reaction carbon plus hydrogen give rise to C6H6, right? So if I'll subtract this value 3218.49 from 3267, I'll get enthalpy of formation of benzene, that will be positive 48.51 kilojoule. In your book, they have given the negative answer, that is absolutely wrong. So you just follow the calculations and make that correction.